When I'm sat at my desk listening to music or playing my Switch desktop, I usually use these. These are the 8-bit Do Cube speakers, and they are brilliant. However, I fancied an upgrade because I needed more battery life and I wanted something I could just throw in my bag and take away with me. And I came across this. It's been out a few months. It's the XBoom Go from LG, the PL5, and today we're going to unbox it. Hello and welcome along, and as we said in the introduction, we're going to be looking at this today. This is the LG XBoom Go PL5 with Meridian. Okay, so this is essentially a Bluetooth speaker, a portable Bluetooth speaker that you can take out and about, and I'm going to be doing a full review on this because this is just going to be an unboxing to find out what you do and what you don't get in the box. So I'm going to do a full review, so do hit the subscribe button and the notification icon, and then you'll be able to be notified of when the full review drops for this. I'm going to be doing a review, and I'm also going to be doing a comparison video with this. This is my trusty Bose Revolve speaker, and I want to compare the two because they're kind of the same size and they're roughly the same price. This was around £130. This is around £130, but at the moment you get it for £80. I don't know whether that's stuck at £80 or not, or whether it's going to go back up to £130. I'm not sure. It's been on £80 for quite a while. I'll leave a link below where you can go and have a look for the latest prices on it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this now, and then I'm going to go away and review it onto the devices such as my Switch and my other iOS devices as well. So we're going to do a full test on it, but this is just going to be an unboxing. Okay, so on the front, LG XBoom Go PL5 with Meridian. There's three flavours of this. There's a PL2, PL5 and a PL7. Obviously the 2 is smaller and the 7 is bigger. This is the middle brother of the three. So on the front there, bit of branding on the back, bit of branding on the side, and then information on the other side. So LG XBoom Go with Bluetooth and with Meridian. Really keen to find out what that Meridian is. Dual action bass, sound boost mode, long battery life. Again, this is what I'm really interested in. 18 hours. I want to test and make sure I do get 18 hours out of this because I want something that I don't have to charge up every day. Multicolour lighting for party because I'm a sucker for an LED. Wireless party link, so if I buy another 99 of these, I'll be able to link them all up. Fantastic. Bluetooth surround with compatible LG TVs, which is a really nice feature. Water resistant IPX5, and the XBoom app for Android and iOS, and I'll be going through the relevant apps for those as well in the review. Okay, so here we go, and then on the top you get your handle, which is nice, and let's get this open. And then when you open it up, get rid of the polystyrene. Here's the speaker itself, and just wrapped up in a cover, and then a bag of goodies, and I assume that's it. Yep, well, that's your lot. Going to have a look at the goodies first. So cable, and then a few extra bits here. Let's have a look. So you get a sticker, which is nice. Activate your free guarantee sticker. Okay, brilliant. And there's this here. This is a poster. No, so this is the LG protection plan. So if you want to give LG some more money, you fill that in. Oh, another activate your free guarantee poster. Brilliant. And then here we go, the portable Bluetooth speaker instruction manual. Charging the LED status. So fully charged is green. Charging is red when you plug this in with the cable. Battery LED status, so green, you've got 70%, amber is less than 10%, and blinking red indicates it's gonna die. So the power, you've got power on off, battery, Bluetooth, playback controls, hands-free, and the volume control all across the top there. That voice command as well. Mood light, so you can change the mood to party, water, forest, or jelly bean customizing, or off. To enable jelly bean option, you have to customize with the LG XBoom app. Okay, so we're going to be going through the app if we're going to be customizing the colors. And then we have a sound effect, off and on boost mode, dual mode, which will be linking up the speakers together, and multi-mode when you make it up more than that. And there's a bit about it, about the spec. So we have the multi-phone, so you can have 2 phones paired at the same time. Dual mode, 2 of those paired to 1, or multi-mode, 1 phone paired to, so I guess 2 more paired to 1 of them. And then how to reset it, I assume this is just going to be a bit of gumph, yeah, a bit of gumph, and not much else. Write a few notes down. Okay, brilliant. Okay, so there's that, and then you also get a cable as well. So USB Type-C, which is nice. And what's that? That's going to be a meter long. So a meter long USB Type-C. Interesting that they've chosen white when the speaker's black or like a dark grey. But interesting. Okay, so onto the speaker then. Here we go. Let's go over it. So as we said on the top, we have a battery indicator. We have the power button there. We have Bluetooth, volume up and down, play and pause, and sound boost mode. And it says there, just so it says there, with Meridian again. And then the speaker there, so it's only going to come out of the front there. When I do a comparison with this, as you know, may or may not know, that this actually comes out from all angles on there. This is just one direction, so it pops out the front. And on the bottom, kind of got rubber little feet there. Can you see that? So all this here is kind of like a rubber plate for when it sits on the desk. That's nice. And then on the back, little flap. Let's pop that open. And then in there we have the multi button, as we talked about, the dual button, the light button, the reset, power, and then an aux. And then a bit of branding of XBoom on there. And back to the top. And then either side, you see this here, this is where your bass gets pumped out here. And it has these rings here are LED. So if I just pop it on, it should. Yeah, it's got some battery out of the box, which is good. There we go. So some nice LEDs to light up, and that's on both sides. So let's quickly press the color button, see if we can change it. That was forest, and then we can have it off, and then that's just on, and then we can change, obviously, like we said, the jelly bean color with the app. Okay, so it feels like a hefty unit, and it feels like this kind of quality, this plasticky rubber. It's nice, and it's like a grey, but there's almost a purple tinge to it. I don't know if that's intended or not, or whether it's just a light, but it feels like there's a slight purple tinge to the whole thing. And while we're here, we'll do this in the review. But I'm always interested to find out the weight of things, because if you want to be carrying this around, or are you going to be sticking it in your bag, weight is really important. 628 grams. Okay, so feels quite hefty for the size, but not overly heavy particularly. And I think this looks like a really, really smart unit. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go away, and I'm going to go a full proper review on this, get this linked up to as many devices as I can, get it reviewed, see what it sounds like, and hopefully we're going to keep it on my desk there, syncing up to the iPad and my Switch as well, and playing it, because I'm really keen to find out the lag with the Switch. Okay, so there we go. That's my brief unboxing. If you've got any questions, about this so far, do let me know down in the comments below. I'll happily answer them for you. But there we go. That's my brief unboxing of the LG XBoom Go PL5. And until the next video, bye bye.